Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce garage door noise. First, pinpoint the exact source of the sound. Is it a squeak, grind, or rattle? Next, grab a wrench and tighten any loose nuts and bolts on the tracks, hinges, and opener. Finally, examine your rollers. If they're worn, cracked, or made of metal, consider upgrading to nylon rollers for a quieter operation. Proper lubrication is crucial for a quiet garage door. Use a silicone-based or white lithium grease on all moving metal components. Apply it generously to the hinges, roller stems, and the torsion springs. Remember to wipe away any excess. A little goes a long way in preventing friction and reducing those annoying squeaks and groans. Do this every 3 to 6 months for best results. Next, let's focus on your tracks and rollers. First, clean out any dirt, dust, or small pebbles from the tracks. Then, visually inspect the tracks for any bends or misalignments. They should be perfectly parallel. If your rollers are metal or show signs of wear like flat spots or cracks, replacing them with nylon rollers can significantly reduce noise, often by as much as 75%. Finally, let's look at your opener and springs. For chain drive openers, ensure the chain has about 1/2 inch of slack. For belt drives, check for proper tension. If your springs are unbalanced, they can cause excessive strain and noise. Consider professional adjustment. Also, installing rubber isolators where your opener mounts to the ceiling can absorb vibrations, making a noticeable difference in overall quietness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.